You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. And if you want to learn related words, including from geometry, mathematics, stay tuned. I've got more videos that you're going to want to learn from. Equilateral is the British English pronunciation, and the Americans also say it similarly as equilateral. 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 Now, it can also be pronounced as equilateral. Equilateral. That's also a correct pronunciation. So equilateral or equilateral with a flap T, as the Americans say. Equilateral. Equilateral or equilateral. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.